Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for any automotive enthusiast or DIY mechanic. The JB Weld 31314 high-temperature RTV silicone gasket maker and sealant. This isn't just any sealant, it's renowned for its ability to withstand extreme temperatures, making it the best exhaust sealant high temp available in the market. At the core of its design is its RTV silicone composition, specially formulated to handle continuous temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're dealing with exhaust manifolds, oil pans, or any high-heat automotive applications, this sealant delivers a tough, waterproof seal that won't shrink, crack, or break down under pressure. This product stands out for its versatility and durability. It adheres strongly to metal surfaces, making it ideal for a wide range of automotive uses, from timing covers to differential housings. Its easy application and curing process, activated by air moisture, ensure a hassle-free experience. JB Weld has a reputation spanning over 40 years for delivering products that professionals and DIYers trust. This sealant not only meets but exceeds expectations with its reliability and performance, earning it Amazon's choice in the gasket sealers category. Whether you're tackling a small repair job or a major project, the JB Weld 31314 high-temperature RTV silicone gasket maker and sealant offers unmatched quality and peace of mind. It's a must-have in any toolbox where durability and performance matter. Stay tuned for more reviews and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Product Critique. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product before or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, signing off.